So today we're spending the day in the camper mostly. So Autumn is up here chilling in her bunk. What are you doing up there?
I am on Instagram.
Yeah?
Follow
Anything
me
good?
at Hurricane Autumn.
Hurricane Autumn? Follow her at Hurricane Autumn. And Jacob, what are you doing, Jake?
Well, I just finished easy peasy math and science online homeschool, but now I'm just chilling, about to read.
And the puppies just kind of lay around and love it in the camper. Kimberly and I are just out here trying to get our calendars synced up on our phone. Did you get it figured out?
The calendars are smarter than we are.
Yeah, that may be true. As you can see, my hair's a little crazy. It's been getting a little shaggy. And I'm ready for a haircut, hopefully.
Tomorrow morning.
So later today, Kimberly's going to cut my hair for me so I don't look like a bum.
Like you live in a camper?
Yeah, like I live in a camper down by the river. I live in a camper in the desert, so I need a haircut. My loving wife, I know, will give me one of those famous close cuts that I love. Also, we had a lot of comments and thumbs up, and quite a few folks subscribed over the past week, and I just want to thank everybody for that. It does let us know whether we're going the right direction to actually help people out or not. And if you don't like something, you know, I mean, be kind, but also leave a comment about that. Let us know if there's something kind of crazy that you're like, why are you doing that? That'd be great too. And if you don't like it, you could even do a thumbs down. So help us to make sure we're going the right direction and actually helping people out. So I want you guys to check this out real quick. This is the view that we have here at my buddy's place out in the desert near Tucson, Arizona. It's beautiful saguaro cactus back there and some sort of little mountain, or probably, I guess it's probably a little hill. But it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Beautiful place, Arizona. So when we're not out hiking and going to see things and adventuring, we hang out in the camper. Kimberly is transplanting some stickers off her brand new cup she just made. And in the camper, things get knocked over sometimes because it's small space, and her cup broke. So she's going to try and save the stickers. She's going to try and customize her folder with the decals. Jake, you heard all that screaming earlier.
What's this?
Is a Dude Perfect fan, and this is his room in here he's got set up with his camouflage custom border. What's with the reflectix, Jake, on the window?
Well, the sun is too bright and hot. And this room is very small, so it heats up very quickly.
It's like a half a mile so hot in there.
A half a mile so hot.
And even the PS3 and TV make it hot in here. So the PS3 is on a wooden box, so it doesn't get too hot. And the TV is on a shelf like this.
That shelf looks familiar. All right, so you saw the little shelf that Jake made in there. What he did was took one of the, I think they're called valances off. If you look up here, all campers come with these valances over the windows that covers where the shade is. And so what we're wanting to do, Kimberly is gonna get some curtains to put in here. On this one, we took the valance off to get ready to put some curtains up here at a later date. And Jacob had a good idea to use it as a shelf in there. Makes a nice spot to put his cell phone and all that kind of thing in there. In fact, I took this one, this is in our bedroom here, and I took the one off of there and I made a little shelf of my own next to my side of the bed. So I can put my cell phone in there, it's charging, bottle of water. It actually works really, really well. That happened to fit in there just right. Continuing the day in the life here, we've got a stove set up, probably like a lot of people have, and a microwave next to the fridge. We found this water jug, I think at Walmart, definitely less than 10 bucks. It actually fits perfectly right beside the fridge and the stove. It gives us a place to have our drinking water. Our friends have really good well water, so we're able to just fill that up and put it right there, and have a nice glass of drinking water that hasn't run through the RV plumbing.
I don't trust the freshwater holding tank water. So anytime we can get bottled water or water from the house, I'm game. Y'all, thanks for coming along with us as we share a peek into everyday life of RV living.
We'll see y'all next Monday.